Well, everybody, continuing the fun and excitement, sometimes when you have a radical equation, the radical might be a cube root, not a square root, but a cube root. That was weird. Anyway, what do you do then? Let's start. First, I subtracted 8 from each side, and I got cube root of 5x plus 1 equals -4. Now, I made a very big point in a previous video that when you have a negative number here, it's a bit that makes it no solution. But that's when it's an even power, like a square root or even a fourth root. But if it's an odd power, then there's no problem having a negative. So all I'm going to do is raise both sides to the third power. So as I said, because we have an odd root, I could raise both sides to the third power and just carry on as usual. So I get 5x plus 1 because the exponent and the root cancel each other out, and I get plain 5x plus 1, and that's going to equal -64 because it's -4 times -4 times -4. 3 negatives winds up being a result of -64. Now, of course, I just subtract 1 from each side and divide by 5, and I get a final answer of x equals -13. Now, all I got to do is take my x equals -13, plug that back into the original equation to check it out to see if it works. Let's do that. Well, if I plug -13 into the equation, so into x, then I get 5 times -13 plus 1, which is -65 plus 1, which is -64. The cube root of -64 is -4, which tells me that -4 plus 8 is also +4, and I get +4 here, +4 here. Check, check. It all worked. Yay!